Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix a common mistake with undeposited funds in QuickBooks Online. If your undeposited funds balance looks backed up or higher than it should, the issue is often caused by a duplicate or incorrect deposit entry. The good news is that this is usually a simple fix once you know where to look. Undeposited funds are designed to temporarily hold customer payments before they are combined into a single bank deposit. When something goes wrong, such as creating a duplicate deposit or entering a deposit incorrectly, the balance can remain higher than expected and make your records harder to match with your bank activity. In this walkthrough, we're going to clean that up by removing the mistaken entry and then recreating the deposit correctly so your records match your actual bank activity. The main goal is to make sure your QuickBooks Online records match what actually happened in your bank account. This helps keep your financial reports accurate and makes future bank reconciliations much easier. First, go to the gear icon in the top right corner of QuickBooks Online. From there, select Chart of Accounts. This is where you can review the accounts connected to your transactions, including the bank account where the deposit was posted. The chart of accounts contains the different accounts used to organize your financial activity. By opening the correct account register, you can review the transactions that have already been recorded. Next, open the account where the deposit was made. In most cases, this will be your checking account or your savings account, depending on where the money actually went. Choosing the correct account is important because deleting or changing the wrong transaction can create additional issues in your books. Once you're inside that register, look through the transactions and locate the deposit that was entered incorrectly. This is the duplicate or mistaken entry that is causing the undeposited funds balance to stay uncleared. For example, you may notice that a deposit appears twice in your register, or that a deposit was created separately, even though the customer payments were already included in another bank deposit. When you find the transaction, select it and either delete it or void it, depending on what's appropriate in your workflow. The choice between deleting and voiding depends on your accounting process. In some cases, you may want to keep a record that the transaction existed but was canceled, while in other cases, removing the incorrect entry completely may be the better option. The goal here is to remove the incorrect bank register entry without disturbing the original customer payments that should still be waiting to be grouped properly. Take a moment to make sure you are removing the duplicate and not the real deposit that belongs there. That little check can save you time later. This step is especially important because removing the wrong transaction can affect your customer payment records and create reconciliation problems later. After that, click the plus icon in the top left corner of QuickBooks Online and choose Bank Deposit. This screen lets you properly combine the payments that are sitting in undeposited funds and move them into your bank account as one grouped deposit. A bank deposit in QuickBooks should usually match the way the money appears in your actual bank account. For example, if several customer payments were deposited together by your bank, they should also be grouped together in QuickBooks. From the list of payments in the deposit queue, select the correct grouped payments that belong together. This should reflect the actual combination of payments that appeared in your real bank deposit. As you select them, keep an eye on the deposit total and make sure it matches your actual bank statement exactly. That's the key to getting everything back in sync. Matching the deposit amount exactly helps ensure your bookkeeping records and your bank records agree. This makes future reconciliation faster and reduces the chance of finding errors later. Once the total matches what hit your bank, you'll know the deposit has been rebuilt the right way. This should clear the extra amount out of undeposited funds and help keep your books accurate. Keeping your undeposited funds account organized is a good bookkeeping habit because it gives you a clearer view of which payments have been received, deposited, and properly recorded. If you're ever unsure, compare the deposit in QuickBooks to the amounts and groupings shown by your bank before you save. That extra review step helps prevent the same issue from happening again. Taking a few extra moments to verify your deposits can save you a lot of time later and help keep your QuickBooks Online records clean and reliable.